Do you provide any assistance with student loans and helping them repair their credit from damage that could have been caused by student loans?
Yeah, student loans are kind of a tricky thing, especially with what's gone on in certain administrations. You know, they've changed. They've started forgiving them. They've decided to not forgive them. They forgive a little bit. What we have done is been able to get student loans removed. Not all the time. I don't really focus on that. We can. A lot of times we have to focus on why it's on there. I've seen people with student loans on there and they're like, hey, I didn't even go to college.
Oh gosh.
So then there could be an issue of fraud there. There could be an issue of somebody just representing themselves as somebody. Something, I do find is when you have, I've had clients that have had juniors, and it might be a Mike Smith and a Mike Smith Jr.
Yeah.
And then Mike Smith Jr. has messed up dad's credit or vice versa. Dad has messed up and used son's credit.
So I'm a third and my son's a fourth.